Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are safe and you all are enjoying your vacations with your families and online classes. So today I am going to teach you Standard 1 English course and the chapter name is Lysandra of Cuba. Before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your families, and you just enjoy playing with the indoor games like Ludo, PUBG and Carom. So whatever the indoor games are there, you can spend time with your elder brother, with your younger brother and sisters, but don't fight with them. You can enjoy themselves. You can play inside the house also, and I might guess that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy. Now this is the story of one girl who came from the another world, that the name another world is Cuba. So before starting the chapter, again I am just requesting you that whatever the homework you are receiving, you please do at a time. So whenever the school will open, I will check it that all the homework date wise. So today also I am going to give you the question answer related from the course and objective types related and word meaning related from this chapter, so that both you can write down in your course fair copy. And before the classes I have told that you have to make the 3 separate copies of English, like English course, literature and grammar. So this story is related from the course book. So this word meaning whatever I will give after finishing the chapter, this word meaning you have to write down it in your fair course copy. So let's start the chapter. And this story has written by Annie E. Neuberger. So she is before starting the chapter, so let's know about more information about this writer. Now she is a storyteller and the author of several books for children. Her stories often explore the themes of social justice and spirituality for kids. Her writings carry a message of peace and harmony for young children all over the world. So she's written the story. She's writing stories like the themes of judiciary, justice and spiritual for the kids. So let's start the chapter now. Have you ever wondered how children from other countries live? How their behavior, their talking, the way of talking, their dressing sense. Have you seen the children they came from the another countries? This is the story of like that one girl, she came from the another world. So like what kind of sports they like to play or how they go to school. So they all are different from our countries. Now you will find many things that are common between you and them, and many that are different. There is a beauty in our difference. Let us make a small visit to the world of Lysandra, a girl from Cuba. Now Lysandra lives in a city on an island called Cuba. Lysandra, here she is the girl, she lived in a city where a piece or where with water all the sides where she is living, and that are called Cuba. Today seemed like an ordinary day, but it wasn't. Lysandra was excited, her toes were wiggly, her tummy felt fluttery. So today is like an ordinary days, and but it wasn't, because she was very excited because her toes was becoming moving and twisting like a worm, and her tummy, it means her stomach, it feels like nervous and excited at the same time. Why? Because first time she went to the school, that's why she's become nervous, because she came from the another world and she is in another country. So that's why she is very nervous for a few times. Then she come home from school wearing her red uniform jumper with white blouse and carrying her backpack. So she just came from the school home, and she's wearing the red skirt and and sleeveless dress worn over a white shirt or blouse, and she carrying a bag in his back. Then neighbors were talking, cooking or singing outside. So neighbors who is living behind their houses, they all are talking and they are cooking and they are singing. She called a hello to them. That was ordinary. And then after she called hello to the neighbors who are singing, who are talking outside, and that was very ordinary, because she came from the another country, and she just saying, she just adjusting himself in another country. It's a very difficult to that. We are, suppose we are living in different areas and we are going to set up in different areas, so we take the times to set up. So here also she is very it's like ordinary, but she is like happy that she came from another country and she is living in another country, so she felt very happy. Then after that, what happened, you just watch the next videos, and I hope that you are enjoying this class. And just stay at home, and whatever the homework, again I am repeating, whatever the homework I am giving you, the question answer I am also writing, so you have to write down in very legible handwriting. First of all, the chapter name, word meaning, question answer and objective types. So whatever the you are receiving from the online classes, PDF, these all, that all you have to complete it in your copy, and that much. So please, again I am repeating it, it's maybe school will open months after lockdown will finish, and then COVID will finish, this all disease, so school will finish, you have to face me and you have to show me all the homeworks. So that's why I'm giving you the warning, and it's I'm telling you so that you can do at homework at a time. And yeah, only that much. And for this story next, that what happened, for that you just watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.